Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this episode, I will teach you how to make a simple contact form like this. This is my website and here I created a simple contact form. I just added three fields: name, email and comment section. So anyone can contact with me by using those fields. So let's see how to make this type of contact form easily. So at first you have to go to your website dashboard and then plugins and click on add new plugin button and then search the plugin name wpform. Here there are many contact form builder plugin, but we will use this plugin name contact form by wpform. Just click install now button and then activate this plugin. After activate this plugin, you will see a new option or menu in website dashboard like this WP from. So click on WP from and then all forms. Here you can see a simple contact form. It's a default contact form. When you install this plugin, this form will automatically be created. So you can either use this default contact form or you can manually create any contact form according to your choice. So click on add new button. Here we can see there are many pre-ready-made contact form template. So you can use either those pre-ready-made template or you can make your contact form according to your needs by using blank form. So I will use simple contact form. So click on use template, but before use it you can watch its demo. Click view demo. Here is a demo. After when we use this, our contact form will be like this, look like this. So just use template, click on use template button. Here we will remove this field last name. So here just click on here and then choose simple from format. Then we can see this last name field is being removed. Just now click on save and then close this page. Okay, now we will remove this default contact form. Just select the form and then move to trust and apply. And let's see how to use this simple contact form. Just create a pages and add new pages and enter the page title, name, contact, and then here we will use this simple contact form. Just click on add form and then select. If you have a multiple contact form, you will see all the contact form here. So just select your desired contact form and then add form. Okay, here is our form. It's a short code generated automatically by using WP form. So just use it and then click on publish button. Okay, let's view this page in the new tab. Here we can see we remove our default contact form. Okay, now again we will customize or we will remove this last name field. Just go to the simple contact form and then click on edit option. Okay, now click on last field and then select the simple format and then save. Okay, now reload the page. We can see our last field is being removed. Now we only see name, email and comment field. So if you want to add any text here, then you can do it. Just go to your page and then enter any text like want to contact with us, then use this space or use this contact form. Okay, then click on update button. Okay, now again reload the page. Okay, we can see that our text is here. So that's how you can make your simple contact form by using wpform plugin. So that's it guys. Hope this video will help you a lot. If you have any query, then feel free to comment below. I will make a tutorial on your comments. So see you in next video. Thank you for watching this video.